Hi friend. In today's video, I will share homemade Nutella recipe. Peanuts, 250 grams. Dry roast well for 5 minutes. Peanut. Put in a blender jug and make a fine powder. We'll ask this much that peanut oil will start coming out. Look at this, all has started coming out from inside the peanut. Some ingredients and add: ½ cup custard sugar, pinch of salt, a ½ cup cocoa powder, 1 tsp vanilla essence. Blend to minutes. Thick paste. Add ½ cup cooking oil. We'll blend again. Nutella is ready. We made Nutella ready at home, at a much lower price than the market. Hey, my video is good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, dear friend. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.